In this video, I show how to create a system restore point for your older Windows computer, like your 13-year-old Lenovo IdeaPad Z500, or in this case, your i3 7th generation processor. System restore. You're going to choose create a restore point, of course. And you're going to press create here. I'm not going to do that here because it's going to mess things up because I'm doing a recording. But it's very important for older computers that you have Windows 11 installed on by way of Flyobi or Rufus, because you won't be able to get update drivers for that integrated webcam or your USB Bluetooth drivers. So what you do is you basically, if your computer goes bad and starts malfunctioning, you can choose the restore point again and name it something proper. Okay, and finally do that every time you boot up. I'm going to do it now in a moment on this machine, my Dell i3. Okay folks, that's all. Thanks for watching.